Good afternoon, children. I hope you are keeping yourself fit and healthy and you are staying at home, not going outside. You are obeying your parents. And you are helping them also. Children, in the previous video, I told you about a very special program for drawing the pictures and for painting the pictures. That was Tux Paint. So today again I am on that program. So you all will listen to me carefully. Children, in the previous video I told you about some features of Tux Paint and about the tools and about the screen of Tux Paint. Children, in that screen I told you about tools and some effects. So today we are going to start some effects, magic. We will take the effects from the magic tool. See the screen which I had shown you in the previous video, that was like this, and these are the tools. And here I had shown you one tool, that is magic tool, and really it is a magic tool because this tool shows the magical thing on the screen. So with the help of this tool we can have the number of effects on our drawing and which can make our drawing very attractive. See, what is edges effect? First of all, we will learn about edges effect. Edges. It is a unique feature in Tux Paint. Using this tool, we can differentiate the edges from an already drawn image. Suppose you have drawn one picture like this and you want to show some edges in this pic. So you can use the edges effect to show the edges in the picture, to show the differentiation. See, this picture is filled with color and this picture is not filled with color. So edges effect we will take from the effects box, and there you will find the edges effect. See, first of all you will go to shape tool. And then select filled circle for sun. First of all, here I am going to tell you about the full drawing, how this one drawing is made. So with the circle, this sun is drawn. With the circle. And a filled triangle you will take to make the mountains. These are the mountains which are drawn with the help of filled triangles. And triangles and circles we have taken from shapes tool. Then you will select paint tool to draw a river and grass bed. See, with the paint tool you will draw the river and the grass bed. This is grass bed in green color and this is river with blue color. Now divide the drawing in two parts by using line tool. See, now with the line tool we will divide this picture in two parts. Why we have distribute this picture in two parts, equal parts? Let's see. Select the magic tool and choose edges from the sub tool box. First of all magic tool, then magic tool will show you some effects. From there you will take edges. Drag the magic wand over the half part of the picture. You will observe that it will erase the solid part of the image and display the edges. Edges means outline only. See, in the previous picture you had filled the color in full. Here color was filled in full picture, but when we distributed it at that time also the picture was of same kind, the colors were there. But when you have applied the edge effect, the picture, from this picture the colors are removed and only outlines are left. These are the outlines and these are also outlines. So only outlines left, and these outlines are called edges. So if you want to show only edges in the picture, you will take edges effect. Which effect? Edges effect. Children, now as I have told you about this Tux Paint, that it is full of beneficial features, attractive features. See, one person who developed this Tux Paint, who is known as a lead developer or designer of Tux Paint, we should know his name also, because he had just developed this such a wonderful program, Tux Paint. His name is Bill Kendrick. What is his name? Bill Kendrick. This person, this personality developed or designed the Tux Paint, and now we are using this Tux Paint because of this great man. Now, drip magic. What is drip, children? See, drip. I told you in the starting when I was telling you the that introduction of Tux Paint, I told you, I just gave you one example of moving an ink pen or moving your hands with ink pen. See what happened when water is sprinkled on a drawing made when with a sketch pen, or that is written using ink pen. See, if you have drawn something and if something is written with ink pen and I just move my wet hand on the page, what will happen? The drips will be there, and your writing which you have written, or whatever the drawing you have made on the picture, that will be scattered, that will be spreaded, that will be spread. So if you have written something with gel pen, and if you just move your wet hand, properly wet hand on the page, so your handwriting will be spread, the ink will be spread. So come here, the ink color will scatter and drip away from water. Similarly, this magic subtool gives a dripping effect. So if you want to that effect, dripping effect to your drawing, you will follow these steps. See what are these steps. Let us see how it works. First of all, open a new file. This is a file, blank page. Select a red background. You will select a red background here. After that, click on the text tool. Text tool is used to write, children. You will use the text tool. Then select the font style from the selector. Any font style you can select, which is of your choice. After that, choose yellow color from the color plate. See, your background is red and the color which you are using, that is yellow color. Okay. So from the color plate you have taken the yellow color. Write the following text. Hello, I am learning. You will write this sentence. Then you will press enter and type with white color Tux Paint. Background is red, and on that you are writing with white color Tux Paint. After that, see, for all kinds of effects, which tool you use? Magic tool. You will go to magic tool, and from the magic tool you will choose the drip effect. Which effect? Drip effect. Children, you can see this picture. When some water drops are coming down towards the surface of anything, you can see this toolbox is like that only. So you will take from the sub toolbox, which effect? Drip effect. See now what will happen. Drag the magic wand. You are to drag the magic wand with mouse over the text. Whatever you have written, you will drag the magic wand over the text to adding dripping effect. Then what will happen? The matter which you have written, it will show you some dripping effect on the screen of Tux Paint. So to do this, I will show you one video in which you will see how the dripping effect works. So stay ready for the next video in which I will show you the dripping effect, and the next which we are going to read now, rainbow effect. Rainbow. When do you see the rainbow? After the rain, you see the rainbow in the sky. Am I right? So rainbow has 7 colors, and those 7 colors you can see in your Tux Paint screen also with the help of rainbow effect. The sub-tools of magic tool, there are 2 types of rainbow. One is real rainbow, children. 2 types of rainbow you will find. Effect, it trails. What is that? What are those 2 types of rainbow? Real rainbow and rainbow. See this effect. This is a real rainbow and this is rainbow. It draws a trail of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawing area. So when you will start dragging the magic wand, you will see the rainbow, the trail of the rainbow on the screen. This is real rainbow. This is real rainbow, the rainbow which you see after the rain in the sky. It allows you to draw a rainbow just like the one you see in the sky after the rainfall. So let us try both the effects in our drawing. Today I am telling you the steps only, but in the next video I will come with the proper screen and with the use of these 2 effects. First of all, what will you do? Select the magic tool. In every effect, whatever effect you want to take, you will use first of all magic effect, then magic tool. So magic tool will take you to the effects. Select the magic tool from the tools bar and the rainbow effect from the sub tool box. So when you will take the rainbow effect, you will drag the magic wand on the screen. After that, you will find that rainbow on your Tux Paint screen. So children, this rainbow and the dripping effect. For these 2 effects, I will show you the video in the next lecture. So till then, you are to read about the rainbow effect, the 2 types of rainbow effect, real rainbow and the simple rainbow. And next is dripping effect, that you will get from the magic tool. You will click on magic tool, then you will go to drip magic effect. So you are to read both these effects carefully. So if you read them carefully, you will be able to understand the next lecture, means the next video, in which I will show you the use of these effects. Sorry. So one thing I am going to tell you, here I have this spec box. Children, in the Tux Paint, you will find 47 different background colors. 47 different background colors you can find in Tux Paint, and you can use your favorite color as the background color in Tux Paint. And with these all colors, you can start your new drawing in Tux Paint. So if you have number of colors, you can draw beautiful painting. Is it or not? Yes, you can draw beautiful painting with the colors. So this is very important thing which you are to remember, that the Tux Paint has 47 different background colors to draw the pictures. So everybody is to underline it if you have books. If you don't have books, you will write this fact in your notebook, that how many different background colors are there in the Tux Paint. In Tux Paint, there are 47 different background colors. Am I right? So you are to read these 2 topics carefully, and you are to wait for my next video, and the next video will be entertaining for you. You have to learn from those videos. So thank you so much for watching this. Keep studying well.